The trendy Plateau area of Montreal is known for its restaurants, boutiques, murals, and old picturesque architecture. Formerly a working-class neighborhood in the 50s, this youth-centric area has become an arts and culture hub for the city of Montreal. When we found out we had the opportunity to update the lighting in a home that's been standing in the heart of the Plateau since the 19th century, we couldn't pass that up. In the main living area, we wanted to make a statement with our Navah Chandelier. The sculpted asymmetrical lines and chrome finish, paired with our warm vintage bulbs, creates a well-balanced vintage industrial design perfectly suited for this home. In order to match the mid-century style furnishings, we used our Scandinavian-inspired Zephyr floor lamp, whose clean geometric lines and antique brass finish brought an understated elegance to the room. These two fixtures would then set the tone for the rest of the lighting being installed in the office, bedrooms, hallways, and kitchen. But it was still important that we embodied the traditional architecture of the home. To do so, we paired vintage bulbs to our fixtures so it would unify the old and new and contribute to the minimalist eclectic style of the space. While larger trend-setting fixtures are essential to creating a stylish, well-lit ambiance, we still wanted to make sure we incorporated more functional items to the home, such as night lights and under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen. We hope we've given you some inspiration for the lighting in your home. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram to stay up to date with Globe Electric.